Here we got a homemade evap smoke tester for not much money at all. Dollar store. Here's a glass jar lid. That's a backup in case I drop that. Gotta keep it back up. And the bottom of there is regular baby oil over there in the corner and fiberglass net. You can also use probably cotton. 3 holes in the center cap. Right here, right here. That's a pen broken in half. Drill hole, jam down, epoxy around it. A $7 soldering iron. You can probably get them for $3 on Amazon. And some vacuum hose. These small jugs work great because the soldering iron sits at the perfect point in there and it just taps it. The bottom, as you can see, there's like an inch of baby oil down there. I just got this hooked up right now. You can blow in this. Plenty of smoke. Cheap. I used it on the Ford behind me. The F-250 tomorrow. I used it on here tomorrow to find a vacuum leak in a manifold. I know it needs a manifold gasket, but I just like double checking things. I mean, I can hear it sucking out the side once I shut the engine off.